It's cold. We're definitely not in Deree anymore. We've officially made it to campus.
This is Athens DAO.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you have all been waiting for.
This campus is beautiful. We've got over 400 registered students.
I'm about to go on stage. I'm hosting a panel on crypto education.
For any real mainstream adoption to occur, you have to start with the education.
So much is being built on the Solana blockchain. It's a very, very exciting time.
I was inspired. I learned a lot.
You know, the Greeks, they know how to eat.
Family style.
Good morning, beautiful people. We are here in Athens, Greece. We are heading to an incredible event. It's called Athens DAO at the American College of Greece. This is going to be a fun one.
I'm really excited. It's a 2-day event, all hosted at the university. Lots of undergraduate students, graduate students, professors, experts in the field, and different businesses are going to be there. Today's day 1, starts at 10 a.m. So we're going to take the metro, head over there, and excited to see our friends.
Cold. We're definitely not in Deree anymore. It's okay though. We got jackets. Thank you, Vietnam. The art here is incredible. There's no question about that. We've officially made it to campus. We're excited. We're about to go in. 1 train, 1 bus, and we are on our way.
We made it. We are on campus at the American College of Greece. This is going to be a great day. This is Athens DAO.
As you can see, all roads lead to Athens DAO, and we are going to take that high road. Lots of exciting presentations going down today, and it's always great to meet up with other friends who are working in the same field as us. We'll bring you along for the journey.
Welcome to Athens DAO at the American College of Greece. Come on over. So day 1's been super fun and successful. This campus is beautiful. This university is actually 150 years old, started in 1875. The professors here are so nice. They're so excited for everyone to be here. The students are here. We've got over 400 registered students who are here today and going to be filling up the classrooms all day tomorrow. In terms of the programming today, it has been so much fun. John did 2 panels. He moderated 2 panels.
About to go on stage. I'm hosting a panel on crypto education. It'll be fun. Got some good dudes with me, so let me know how I do. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you have all been waiting for. First one was discussing crypto and education and what's the evolution of that look like, what's being built to help onboard the next generation into crypto, what's the incentives, why should people care. The second panel that I did was a little bit more fun. It was primarily focused on meme tokens or attention tokens or momentum tokens, which are essentially those tokens that carry no utility but have provided quite a lot of opportunity for people to make a lot of money and a lot of opportunity for people to lose a lot of money as well. And so we talked about meme tokens, and then we evolved that conversation into new trends within blockchain, which is always really interesting considering there's AI agents, decentralized science. Last but not least, I gave my talk. My talk was about how non-fungible tokens and near field communication chips can come together to provide new uses for individuals to verify, authenticate real-world assets, as well as to capture attendance and participation in real life, whether it's events or real purchases of goods, and then rewarding them ongoing for their involvement within a community.
There were so many amazing, great presentations done by some of our friends from various different companies. Today was about educating the 101 basic. We really wanted to show people who were crypto curious, give them kind of a gateway to open up to say, welcome, there are lots of different opportunities here. Here are some of the trending topics that you might have questions about. I was inspired. I've been in this space for a really long time, but I learned a lot. This event is really underscoring why education is so important, not only within the blockchain industry, but in general for emerging tech. For any real mainstream adoption to occur, you have to start with the education. And this event at the university in Athens, it is the perfect event for people to start to get into it. Super honored to be here. Right after this, we're gonna go to dinner for their speakers tonight. I'm really excited to have some yummy food. My goodness, I cannot wait for tomorrow, but we'll bring you along to dinner tonight.
It's been a long day, a great day. So much is being built on the Solana blockchain. It's a very, very exciting time. We are going to dinner. You know, the Greeks, they know how to eat, and you know the buttons, we know how to eat too. So it's gonna be a collaboration unlike anything I've ever experienced. We arrived at dinner. Let's go see what's going down.
We are at Morias, and we're going to have a delicious meal together, a family-style meal of authentic Greek cuisine.
The food has arrived.
It's so delicious. All the best Greek snacks I could ever imagine and more. I've never tried this chickpea dish with lemon. It's so good. And the tzatziki, best tzatziki I've ever tried in my life. They steamed spinach with a little bit of garlic and you squeeze it with lemon. It's amazing.
Family style.
Family style. Was amazing. The food was served family style. We all drank wine, ate the most delicious food together, and had the most amazing conversations. Just got to know each other with no agenda. I am so grateful that we are here.
Quinn's got a very exciting day tomorrow. She's going to be teaching her course. It's going to be the final day of Athens DAO, and it will be another incredible one.